Video today about a case of infinite series in heuristic math, and for example 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 and so on. I call this type of series pattern series, and this is in Italian language. In English, pattern series, patterned series, I don't know. However, with a pattern, periodic series where a series, a set of terms is repeated again and again. Actually, also the series 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on is a pattern series, because the set 1 is repeated forever. But in that case, the pattern length is 1. Here the pattern length is 2. And when a few years ago I was studying series, I came up with this idea, which was actually more simple than I believed at the time. So, for example, this is the histogram graph, a very powerful way graphically to understand the result of a series, and applying the method of putting the middle points of each step. Then we connect the points, then we do the middle points again, and we draw this line when it's the correct moment. And we can see that this line intersects the y-axis at 1. This is 0, the null partial sum, then 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, plus 1, minus 2. So the result is 1, and we can also apply the vertical sum of two series. The first is 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 and so on, which gives 0, as a matter of fact, we already saw this in a previous video. This is the series 1 plus 1 plus 1 dilated 2 by 2 with position 1. And this series, the B series, is 0 minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, which gives 1 as a result. And we saw this too in a previous video. This is the 2 dilation of the minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 series with position 2, and we saw the methods before. We apply the vertical sum, this plus this vertically, and we get this series. So the result must be 0 plus 1, 1, and we see that this is coherent with this, so the result is this. Moreover, we can also generalize a series like this, a plus b plus a plus b, with the same thing, and that gives minus b divided by 2. So this is a very quick video, but this pattern series are very interesting, because we can also do, let's see if I remember that this book is also available in English language, and this is in Italian language. I think on Amazon, but I actually don't know if on Amazon it's available on English. But if you want to buy it on English, in English language, you can check the lulu.com store, which is linked in the info box, or you check the site, or you simply search this book in and my author, my name here, and you search online, you go in the lulu.com, which is a very famous store for books, auto-published, and you check the English version. Okay, and also I suggest you to search on my site, andreastudi.xyz, which is not the links here, because I here add some old sites. However, I suggest you to download the errata corrige, which is the list of the mistakes I found afterwards, after the publishing of the book. So, okay, this. Also, I want to put in this video this thing that the dilation we saw previously can be generalized, as actually I already said that in a previous video, via a formula which can be calculated, which is this, where D is the dilation factor, P is the position where the original term is placed in the dilated series, and so on. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.